Suswagatam. Un caloroso benvenuto a tutti voi. तुमकां सगळ्यांक उनोनीत येवकार. पूण सगळ्यांत पयलीं एक स्पश्टीकरण. ही आयची कार्यावळ इंग्लेज ना वापरून फक्त कोंकणी आनी इटालियन भासांनी जावची अशी खूब जाणांची इच्छा आसली. तातूंतलो हांवूय एक. पूण तें आमचे नशिबांत ना सद्याक तरी. आनी खूब काळ फुडें तें घडयेक आसचेंय ना. कित्याक इंग्लेजी विड्यांगा आमचें कांयच चलना. आमी दुसऱ्या कडेनूच न्ही पूण आमच्याच मदीं पासून एकामेका कडेन कोंकणीन उलोवंक शकना वो कोंकणी उलोवंक सोदिना. खूब फावटी घरांतल्या घरांतूच इंग्लीश भास एक लिंगवा फ्रांक कशी जाय पडटा खूब जाणांक. त्या पासत कोंकणीच्या महापुरुशांक प्रणाम करीत आयज हांगा इंग्लीश वापरूंक येतली. म्हणूनच म्हजें हें ल्हानशें उलोवप तेच भायले भाशेंतल्यान. So, a warm welcome to you all for this formal launch of the dictionary. And a sincere thank you as well to each one of you. For me, your presence here is not just a moment of passing joy, a moment of heartwarming experience. Rather, I take it as an enduring assurance of your magnanimity and of your profound interest in matters which this dictionary embodies. Language, culture, bonds of friendship amongst people of the world. It is my lot this evening to do several things at once. To say the words of formal welcome, to introduce the eminent personalities on the day to the distinguished audience, and as a core task, to give you an idea of the book, of its genesis, of its purposes. I am bound to fall short in one or more of these tasks. In fact, it's likely that this will sound more of a vote of thanks, rather the commencement itself, than a presentation of the book.